Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my Animal Crossing videos. This is part 2 of my first spring day. And again, I miss the snow, I miss the crunching of the snow, but the spring day does make me feel very helpful. Here in the Midwest, it's still pretty cold even though I'm recording this at the end of March and I started playing this day at the beginning of the March. But it's still pretty cold here. The weather might be turning, hopefully. And it makes me feel slightly happy to see the spring day. Maybe my seasonal affective disorder does better when I see a spring day on Animal Crossing. So please enjoy as I finish off the spring day. I have upgraded my museum and eventually I'll give you a tour of my museum. And I am working on upgrading Nook's shop. I do need more iron to do that. And I'm trying to I'm trying to make more flimsy tools so I can hit some more rocks and get some more iron. I was actually going to work on one of those with you. I was going to work on it when I was wanted to gameplay light up it. Because the white basket is starting to bin stuff. Would have had a cat on. Did you know you made hummus a long time ago and it goes in the back of the fridge and it started to... I did. I got rid of a lot of stuff in our fridge. Gulliver is around, you can wake him up. I'm not going to, but if you wake him up, he will send you on a treasure hunt. Also, there's a pirate Gulliver, and I forget his name, and he will show up too. But you can wake him up and he will send you on a treasure hunt. That is for a later date. I don't feel like dealing with him right now. Kind of like when I ran from Wisp, when I saw him, didn't feel like dealing with him. But I needed to find like plane parts or ship parts or something. Parts for him when you go on the treasure hunt, and then you get like a reward at the end. Crossing is one of those games that plays in real time. So it's starting to get dark because it's starting to get dark in the northern hemisphere where I have the game scheduled to play at. This will be a bit of an inconvenience when the stores start having hours and stuff. Right now they don't because I haven't upgraded. And there is a little bit of a way around it, but nothing huge. But that is why it's starting to get dark here. It's not just the end of the day in Animal Crossing, but it's becoming the end of the day in my real life. so much prettier when it's spring and the grass is green instead of when it's snow and it's white and they just kind of stand out. They almost look like flowers. They're so pretty, which is sad to pull them, but they also can be an eyesore. of Animal Crossing before. My children absolutely tanked my island. Someday I should actually show you what my island looks like now. From my original island, my COVID island, what saved my sanity. My 5-year-old has completely trashed my island. My 10-year-old helped her. And my 12-year-old wants to name things bizarre names and keeps changing the island flag. It's a mess. And so my 5-year-old is actually mad that I won't let her play on my new Switch, on my new island. And I have, I'd gathered all the recipes. I had completely filled my museum. I was hoarding like ridiculously large amounts of bells. It's all gone. Well, I mean, the stuff in the museum's still there and the recipes are still there, but my 5-year-old has basically acted like she won the lottery in Animal Crossing, and I'm just letting her go. And I've abandoned that island. I've given up. I guess it would be absolutely ridiculous, but maybe I'll show you as like what happens when 3 children take over an island. Which is why I'm starting this one all over again, and I didn't transfer my data from my previous island to my new Switch. 1, it wasn't working properly, so cool, that's awesome. And 2, I kind of wanted to start all over again, no kids allowed. This will be my safe place. I may let my husband join the island, I haven't decided yet, but this is like my home. I'm starting all over again, making it the way I want it, which is super nice. They got rid of villagers I liked, invited villagers I did not want on the. It was just a mess. But it's humorous now looking back on it. But if we still only had one Switch and that one island, I think I would be losing my mind because of what's going on. Remember, you can sell stuff you get out of the recycling bins. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and have a peaceful day.